Welcome to Suanfarma, a reference in the life sciences sector with over 600 professionals from diverse fields dedicated to fostering healthier lives since 1993. Our mission is to enhance health globally by providing high-quality active pharmaceutical ingredients and comprehensive contract development and manufacturing services. We are committed to increasing access to affordable medicines around the world. Our dedication to community well-being drives our journey from research and development to efficient production, establishing Suanfarma as the key fundamental pharmaceutical ingredient supplier. Our APIs, at the core of medicines, support a global community striving towards a healthier, more sustainable future. Our advanced sites across Portugal and Italy and a robust network with 12 commercial offices supports more than 400 laboratories worldwide in fulfilling their missions. Our commercial team, with the support of quality and regulatory affairs, offers personalized solutions that ensure integrity at every level of service. This extensive presence reaffirms our commitment to excellence and a customer-centric approach, making us your trusted partner across the entire value chain. At Suanfarma, our proprietary API portfolio is developed through an analytical system led by a team of multidisciplinary experts in business intelligence and market analysis. We excel in alternative synthesis routes and in-house analytical methods, ensuring the highest standards, including MOA verifications adhering to GMP guidelines. Utilizing the advanced capabilities of flow chemistry and AI for experimental design, we refine processes to achieve optimal efficiency, even for high-potency APIs at both lab and kilo lab scales. To meet growing global demand, we have expanded our CDMO capacities to over 2,000 cubic meters of fermentation and 800 cubic meters of chemical synthesis. This expansion highlights our commitment to supporting our partners and customers, improving health outcomes worldwide. Combining biofermentation and chemical synthesis enhances the availability of complex therapeutic agents, promoting global health and sustainability by simplifying manufacturing processes. Our vision for 2028 is to generate a significant positive impact worldwide, advancing both human and animal health while creating important value for communities. With a target value of at least 5 billion euros from our laboratory customers' medicines to end users, our strategies underscore our deep commitment to scientific research, social responsibility, and sustainability, aiming to generate intellectual property in the form of 18 new proprietary generic APIs. Last year, we invested 5.2 million euros in environmental initiatives, leading the way in setting new standards for the pharmaceutical industry and demonstrating our commitment to the planet. Our efforts to save 2 gigawatts of electricity and 1.5 million cubic meters of water annually align with our ambitious goals for expanding capacity by 2026. Let's build a healthier, greener future together. Transforming today for the well-being of tomorrow, Suanfarma remains firm at the core of a better life. Every step forward, every solution, at Suanfarma, we are by your side.